chest, fingers flying, making patterns twist. Susie's voice breaking through the haze, crochet forever in a woolly maze.
Hello, how are you? It's Susie with Susie's Crochet Chat, place where we talk about yarn hooks, tips, tricks, everything in between. I'm going to try to do an actual video like this once a week, like on Mondays. So look for that and this. I hope everybody is doing well after the big snowstorm that we had. Yeah, it was a lot. But with that, I was thinking, you know, it's very dry, especially in the wintertime. My hands are so dry. So what I wanted to talk about today is, you know, moisturizing. You know, we need to moisturize even our face and our hands. And so here's what I do. I use, and I can't think of it now, it just, I use jojoba oil. I have 2 big bottles. I have one upstairs and one in my powder room down here. I'm gonna wash my hands when I'm done. I dried off. I take a couple little, it comes in like a dropper, and I put a couple droppers in, of it in my hand just to moisten, and it helps your cuticles. It's just really nice. But also over here on my little coffee table or end table, I have hand cream, because as crocheters, and actually I need some right now, as crocheters, we're touching other fibers and different things, and plus it's winter time. Our hands are getting very dry, so really moisturize your hands, and not just your hands, your face, your body, you know, get lots of lotions. And I really like the jojoba oil, and I even use it on my face, because you can use it anywhere, but I like to use that to moisturize with. And another thing is, you know, don't forget your lips. I have a little jar, well, a little container. It's not even a jar, it's just a little thing. And I have in here, well, first off, do you remember, oh my gosh, plastic canvas. Somebody made this for me, but it holds my emery boards. So I have those in case, you know, my nail starts to snag. And in this little thing. And then on here I have some like chapstick. I have, well, I like those lip oils. This one isn't a lip oil, but I like lip oils. But this is just a color I have in here. I have from e.l.f. the little lip glosses, and they're flavored. This one I think is the peach, if I could read it. Yeah, it's peach. And then my daughter got me these Color Pop ones. This one's watermelon, and this one is peppermint. She just got me that one at Christmas time. So, you know, I have all these things sitting here on my table because you need to, you know, you end up needing something like that because your hands are so dry. Especially, like I said, especially when you're touching fibers. So, you know, it's a good little handy thing to do. Drink lots of water. And as I'm saying that, I haven't been doing that as well as I should. And I'm going to, you know, hold myself accountable for that. Lots and lots of water. Now, if you don't like the taste of water, you know, you can they have all kind of things you can put in to flavor your water. And what I like is, I can't think of the name of it. There's a lemon, a lime, and an orange, and they're little packets. And you get it in the baking section because you can bake with them to give that flavor of lemon. I should take you, hopefully I'm not going to make you sick. Let's go into the kitchen. I'm going to show you this thing. I'm just going to get it. Wait a second here. Oh, this is... Okay, that wasn't too bad, I hope. I just put them in here. But I like the lemon and I like the lime. And it's, true lemon or true lime. That's what I use. And I just put one little packet in like a 30-ounce container of water. And, yeah, and it tastes good. Oh, wait, I take that back. I don't put one. I put one of each because I like lemon and lime. So I'm putting 2 packs in 30 ounces. Okay, that's what I do. But it works out really well. I like it. And, yeah, so being hydrated helps with your skin being so dry and so many good things. So that's important too. And I keep repeating this, but especially us that are touching fibers and, you know, crocheting and doing all these things, our hands are just like, yuck, because of, you know, all of that. And this time of year, we have to really take care of our hands, our skin, our bodies. So that's what we need to do. Anyway, so that's what I wanted to come on today and share with you. I don't have much else. So just, you know, through this storm and all through the winter months and everything, you know, don't overdo it. You know, we're going to be getting sub-zero temperatures. Don't overdo it. You know, take your time. You know, you don't need to get it all done in one setting, especially going outside, bundle up, we are crocheters. We can make things to be warm. So, make sure you wear them. But anyway, I hope you found this informative. Please like and share. Well, yeah, you can share and subscribe. Leave a comment. I really like when people leave comments, and, you know, I try to respond to everybody. So, and if I haven't, then there was an issue that I didn't see it because I really look through to respond. So, and if I don't, then message me or, you know, and say, you didn't respond, because I'll find one of those and I will respond. So anyway, I hope you're having a good day, and I will talk to you in a video next Monday. But you can look for my shorts. I do the 3-minute shorts every day, Monday through Friday. This past week I did the weekend, but usually I don't on the weekends. But Anyway, have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.
Midnight oil burning stitches remain, whispering threads holding back the strain. Susie's voice guiding, I'll never quit. Pattern's rough, but it's got heart.